Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It is May 27, 2017. We've got a tornado watch in effect until 7 p.m. tonight for parts of southeast Missouri. We may have more watches later today and tonight as well, but this is the first watch for thunderstorms developing over central Missouri, and a couple of bands of storms may form over the coming hours. Take a look at radar here at about 12:30, and we see several thunderstorms over Kansas into Missouri, a couple of bands developing. Now this sort of messes with the forecast today because the general thinking has been one line of storms would barrel through all this instability and that would produce widespread wind damage. That may not happen because we have these storms developing, widespread storms developing over central Missouri and back into southeast Kansas. So we may not have just one line, we may have multiple lines. We'll just have to see how that influences instability. Typically, once you have one or two lines of storms move through an area, the atmosphere becomes what we call worked over, and it's not as unstable. So that would cut down on the number of damaging wind reports. With that said, if we end up with a bunch of smaller storms, supercell type storms, those could produce very large hail, golf ball size or larger. We could have 80-mile-per-hour winds from supercells, and we could even have a few tornadoes. So we just need to pay attention this afternoon. If you're out camping, have a way to receive weather warnings, have multiple ways of receiving weather warnings. Don't forget to sign up for the text messages at bodotsonweather.com. Sign up for the weather one, that's the tornado text message, severe thunderstorm one. Also have other ways of receiving information as well, including a weather radio. If you're out camping, remember that some of the ground is wet over southeast Illinois, southwest Illinois, southeast Missouri. Trees may topple quicker than they normally would because of wet ground conditions. Anywhere in the area today, anywhere in my forecast area, we could have some severe weather. That includes our eastern counties as well. Perhaps the highest risks will be over southeast Missouri, parts of Illinois, West Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, and a little less of a risk as you move further east, but I don't want to diminish their risk either. Anywhere in the area today, we could have some watches and warnings. Pay attention. Remember, storms could be moving at 60, 70 miles per hour. That's not going to give you a lot of time to seek shelter as warnings are issued.